great to be here at a customer site, state-of-the-art practice facility here with the Detroit Pistons, with a great partner implementing this entire system, using Motorola technology, everything from video to access control to communication with our radios. It's the full suite of capabilities. If I think about the Security Operations Center and just facilities management and protecting people and places. First of all, it's great to see a well-implemented system, working in concert, talking to everyone here in the Security Operations Center. Search is really working well for them. It allows them to search all of their cameras really efficiently. I think with the next generation of AI capabilities, we're going to be able to take what was now retrospective and investigative and bring it closer to real time. You really need those relationships between the partner, the company that's producing the tech, as well as the user, and really understanding their needs to be able to implement a well-performing system.